Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Defitha Nour Fauziah. On these occasions, I will show you how to teach reading and writing using project-based learning approach. So, what is project-based learning approach? Project-based learning approach, or PBL, is a teaching approach in which students learn through completing a project that is meaningful, practical, and connected to real life. In this method, students use the target language, for example English, to research, plan, create, and present a final product. And then, the benefit of the project-based learning is 1. Promote active learning, 2. Develop communication skill, 3. Encourage collaborations, 4. Improve critical thinking and creativity, 5. Connect learning to real life, 6. Build independence and responsibility, and the 7 is integrate multiple language skill. Now, let's move to the implementations. We are going to practice make an annotated bibliography. We will use the project-based learning approach, or PBL, which means we will focus on how to write annotated bibliography properly.
Today we are going to learn about annotated bibliography. This topic is very important in academic writing because it helps you to organize and evaluate your source. Let's move to what is an annotated bibliography. An annotated bibliography is a list of references that include a brief description and evaluation of each source used in research. It combines citation with an annotation. Let's summarize the main idea, evaluate the source credibility, and explain its relevant understanding. This helps researchers understand, assess, and organize information by showing how its source support their research topic. For example, if you are writing about online learning, you can list your source and then explain what it says and how to useful it is for your research. Okay, get it? Yes. Right. And then the purpose of an annotated bibliography is to show you understand your source, to organize your research, to evaluate its source usefulness and credibility, and last to prepare for qualitative review. So, in short, annotated bibliography helps you think critically about your references instead of just listing them. Okay. Now, let's look at the structures. Every annotated bibliography has three main parts. First is citations. Provide full source detail in 88 formats, including author, years, title, and publications, so reader can locate the source. Okay. And the second is summary. Briefly explain the main ideas, purpose, and key findings of the source to show understanding. And the last one is evaluations or reflections. Our comment on the source credibility, usefulness, and relevant showing how to support your research. So, we can say citation plus summary plus evaluations is annotated bibliography, guys. Okay? Okay. Now, let's see how to do this step by step. First, read the source carefully. Then, identify main ideas and findings. After that, you can paraphrase and summarize in your own words. And then, evaluate the source usefulness. And write the annotations with citation, including three parts: citation, summary, and evaluations. The article I will share in WhatsApp group, and scan this QR code for submit your result. Now we will share your identified result of annotated bibliography that you have created.
For the first article, the article discusses how online learning affects students' engagement compared to traditional classroom learning. It highlights the interactive tools and regular feedback can improve motivation and participation among students.
Alright, give applause. Next one, please raise your hand. Okay. So for the summary of this exercise of unification technique such as point systems and images influence learners' motivation and English classes. It shows that unified activities can increase engagement and learning persistence. And for the evaluation, the source is reliable because it is peer-reviewed and provides empirical data. It is useful for designing language learning activities that boost student motivation. And the last one, please. Okay. The article examines students' opinions on online learning compared to classroom face-to-face classes. Findings suggest that all students appreciate the flexibility of online classes, equally in-person interaction for discussion and collaboration. This source is reliable with clear motivation. And the evaluation, it is useful for understanding the strengths and weaknesses of the curriculum from the student's perspective. Alright, good job, guys. Including the citation, summary, and evaluations, your summaries are clear and your reflections showing your understanding. Next time, try to make the summary more concise and explain briefly how the sort you support your research. Okay, guys, today's classes are finished. Please keep practicing how identify and write summaries and evaluations at home. Thank you, everyone. Good job, and see you next time.
So, in the conclusions, project-based learning allows students to use English meaningfully through real project. It encourages credibility, collaborations, and independent learning while helping them connect classroom knowledge to real-life situations. That's all from me. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.